5.2010 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive truck crew cab pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas ethanol 5.8, 5.7 L346, 4WD 18 alloy wheels Inc., P275, 65R18 tires, chrome tube steps, front bucket seats Inc., 8-way power driver, 4-way adjustable passenger seat, adjustable headrests, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, center console shifter, center console W, laptop and file storage, locking rear differential, 4-wheel drive, front tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, full-size spare tire, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, privacy glass, sliding rear window, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, cloth seats, pass-through rear seat, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, dual zone AC, rear defrost, auxiliary power outlet, front reading lamps, rear reading lamps, 4-wheel anti-lock, brake system, brake assist, traction control, electronic stability control, driver airbag, passenger